goes my nail. Okay, so I got 2 more Series 3 Cafe Miniverse balls. I used the pinholes to try to figure out the ones I wanted. As you can see here, this one has a pinhole right next to the soup. Yeah, this is the one that should be s'mores. And I believe this is the one that should be either pickles or cookies. I found 2 different balls that had pinholes in this pickle cookie area. The pickles are supposed to be heavier, but I didn't bring a scale. However, they both had a shake, but the ball I didn't choose felt to my hand slightly lighter and also had more of a sprinkle shake. So I went with this one just to see. I believe this should be the pickles. Oh no. Sprinkles. They're cute though. This little tray is super cute. Okay, there's all that stuff. I think I'll also use these ones from the all you can eat. And let's open this guy that should be s'mores. gosh, those are so cute. These boxes are hard to like get to stay upright, but they're adorable. Oh, these are big marshmallows. Much bigger than the other marshmallows I have. These feel just like the other chocolates I have. Another cute little tray. I couldn't just leave it like that because I really want those pickles. So I went back to a store and I found the right pinhole. This one was really difficult to tear. This little jar is exactly the same as the ones that come in the all-you-can-eat. Not really sure what the point of this big spoon is, but it's cool. The pickles have really nice detail. These mustard seeds must have been what I heard shaking so hard in the ball. And I'm not going to use this resin, but the bottle's cute. So I am just going to put some pickles in the jar along with some of the mustard seeds, and then I'm going to add a couple other things from old kits just for color. So I'll use these peppers and chop them up, and I'll also use some of this red pepper mix. And both of these are from one of the pizzas. So I'm definitely happy with all my ingredients. So I'm going to add baby oil instead of resin, and that is because I want to make it into more of a shaker and allow it to have motion rather than the resin would completely solidify. And I just filled it up as much as I could and then glued the lid on. Afterward, I found these little stickers that came with it. They're pretty cute, but I don't plan on using them. And so here are my pickles with my cookies and s'mores. I definitely could have fit a little more oil in there based on that big air bubble, but I am very happy with it. I love it. I love pickles, so this is great for me. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you come back for the next one. Bye!